Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new video, which is about qualitative research, design, and uses, and the main features or characteristics of qualitative research. Qualitative research is actually distinguished from quantitative research in many respects. Among the distinctive aspects of qualitative research is actually the way we collect the data once we conduct qualitative study. In qualitative study is mainly dependent, or the main data collection procedure in qualitative research is actually interview. Sometimes observations, audio or video recording. Also, those are actually the main data collection procedures. Those procedures are are actually described as comprehensive procedures to collect the data. Why comprehensive? Because once we employ those tools or instruments to collect our data, they provide us with comprehensive information and inclusive information about the topic and their investigation. Why? Because the data, once we employ qualitative research or interviews in specific, we can gain rich data from the respondents. In other words, we can get to the insider meaning. Okay, so qualitative research is heavily dependent on the subjective experiences, opinions, perspectives, feelings, emotions of the individuals in order to examine their viewpoint about a specific topic, so that only the participants who can reveal their meanings about particular issue. So it is the insider meaning can only be revealed to people once you interview can only be revealed to the to the interviewer once you talk to him face to face. Or but if you test him, like surveying somebody's or administering a questionnaire to them, you might not get the same rich data. So once we interview the respondents, we dig deep into their personalities, okay, their experiences, their personal experiences, expertise in life, perspectives, beliefs, okay, so we can get much more rich data than in quantitative research. That's why qualitative research described as a type of research that delve deep into the respondents, okay, in order to get their insider meaning, okay, and based on this, once we do qualitative research, we cannot collect the data from a big sample size. Why? Because it's hard for us to, due to time constraints and effort constraints, it's very hard to interview hundreds of people as we do in quantitative research. We can test hundreds of individuals and respondents. Okay, so due to the nature of data collection procedure or interviews, we can we can test only or interview only limited number of people. That's why qualitative research favors small sample size rather than big sample size as done in quantitative research. Okay. يعطيكم العافية.